Guys, I don't do this very often, but this is an emergency video. Do not sell your XRP. Look, you can certainly make a decision, make an educated decision if that's something you want to do. But there is something going on right now with XRP that is absolute FUD and is an obvious attempt to send the price down. Whale Alert, if you don't know, Whale Alert is one of the transaction watching accounts on Twitter or on X.com. It's been around forever, okay? They just said 25 billion XRP were sent in to the Phemex exchange. Guys, there's only 100 billion total max supply. There's 50 billion in an escrow, approximately, whatever it's 48, 51, whatever it is. Guys, there's like, the biggest wallet has 5 billion. This is false. This is fake. I don't have evidence to show you that other than common sense. There was just another post on Whale Alert, and that post now said that there were 44 billion additional XRP sent into Phemex, worth $25 billion. Guys, that doesn't make sense. This is false. If you're in the XRP community, you need to share this video. You need to let people know that there is an organized attack against XRP going on right now. Now, look, there might be a chance I get into this, find out maybe I'm wrong somehow. I don't know how. I haven't done any research on this. I looked around for about 2 minutes because this is a video that's got to be made in time, put out immediately to stop this FUD storm that's about to come. So if we find out that there was some kind of crazy thing that happened, and it is what it is, but I'm 99.99% sure that this is a hack of the account of Whale Alert, or either he's using bad information, or I don't know what's going on there, but there's no way this is going on. And you guys need to make sure that when people are spreading this news about all this money going into Phemex to dump XRP, guys, it's not true. It's orchestrated attempts to get the price to go down. The institutions are here. There's no, guys, we're talking about XRP ETFs and IPOs right now. And now the institutions are in there trying to manipulate the price. So XRP Army, be careful out there. Make sure that you guys are being safe and don't go sell everything just because you see a wallet transaction. Unless you verify it's real, go to Twitter, look. Nobody's written an article about this. I'm going to ask Mr. X about it. I may have some more news on this a little bit later, but there you go. You guys hit the like button on your way out. Be blessed.